Hello, my name is Olive James, and I made this video because I want to support the Sea Life Center, the zoo, and other places that help care for animals and like the endangered ones. So I decided I could send this to the local places. So I took all my stuffed animals and I made little habitats and I'm going to go around and show you the habitats so you can see and have a feel for what they looked like if you didn't have enough time to go explore them yourself. So first, we got this forest habitat. So we have the squirrels and, the animals and their trees. We got all the birds in the trees. A little squirrel at the bottom. And a little mouse right there. Over here in the lake, we got a big fish and a salmon. And over here, we have a little fox den, a mother fox and our pups, some deer, a skunk, a porcupine, a little bison, air muskox, excuse me, rabbits, little lynx, and the wolf den. But by the way, I used a couple of huskies for this. See, there's one husky right there. He's there. Oh wait, that's fine. Okay, let's go. Moving on. So just so you can have a feel for the area. Oh wait, I forgot one guy. Here we go. Got a little beaver. Let me show you him. He's a little hard to see. Whoops. See? Little beaver. Yeah. Okay, let's move out. Okay, next up, we have the ocean environment. We got a whole dolphin pod over here. Very nice. Got the humpback whales, a stingray, spotted stingray, a clownfish, some seahorses, a mother orca and her baby. And by the way, to have something a little bit scarier in here, we added a megalodon and a couple other little sharks just to shake things up a little bit. And then here we have a little sea turtle and I'm not a moray eel, just an eel, and an octopus. Okay, over here, moving on, we have the Arctic ecosystem. Now, so here we have some otters, a lobster, a seal, an Arctic fox, a puffin, a polar bear, a mother otter, and a little baby, a seal, some other seals too, a mother and her two babies. Oh, and over here we have a mother penguin and her baby, and two other little penguins, and a very big otter. Okay. Next up we have farm life. I don't know how this is much into nature, but I decided I'd add it in anyways. So we have a little baby pony eating some hay. Her mother's in there eating some hay in her stall. We have some puppies and tunnels. And a little corgi laying on some blocks I used as grass. So that's pretty cool. Moving on. Here we have the jungle home. Everyone loves the jungle. Woo! And I decided I'd add a little wooden cobra here. Don't mind the weird thing under its neck. That's the only thing I find to prop it up. So, yeah. Moving on to this area. So we have a little green snake up here. Chameleon, some rocks. I kind of ran out of materials for the jungle area. I kind of ran out of materials, but it's pretty good. So we have a nice little zebra here, a lemur, a little lizard and a snake, a crocodile, some trees I made out of blocks with a little tree frog on it, a parrot, a toucan, a chameleon on a bush I made out of blocks, a little elephant, and a very big camel. Wow. So now we're going to circle back. Do. Bop, bop, bop. Okay. Hold on. Well, I thank you for watching this video. I hope you can learn lots more about animals in the future. So, see you later and have fun exploring. Bye-bye.